Welcome to PC Party. Today, we're excited to showcase a PC build that costs $1,000 and features a sleek black and white color scheme. This build is designed to handle demanding tasks such as gaming, video editing or streaming, with the best combination of components to provide optimal performance. So, let's dive in and explore the key components of this build. Starting with the motherboard, we have the ASRock B760M. This MicroATX motherboard supports the LGA 1700 socket and has built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Ethernet connectivity. It also features 4 DDR5 memory slots for a maximum capacity of 128 GB, and an M.2 slot for fast NVMe storage. Moving on to the CPU, we have the Intel Core i5-13400F, a powerful 10-core processor with a base clock speed of 2.5 GHz and can boost up to 4.0 GHz. This CPU can handle multitasking and demanding applications, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. Next up is the CPU cooler. We have the Deepcool AK500, which is designed to provide efficient cooling for your CPU. This cooler has a 120mm fan and uses 6 copper heat pipes to dissipate heat effectively. It is also easy to install and compatible with most CPUs, and comes in a sleek black design that will match our build perfectly. For memory, we have 16 GB of Kingston Fury Beast DDR5. It has a clock speed of 5200 MHz and low latency, providing fast and reliable performance. This kit has a sleek black heat spreader that complements our black and white color scheme. Moving on to storage, we have the Western Digital Black SN770, a high-performance NVMe SSD with a capacity of 1 TB. It has read speeds of up to 7 GB per second and write speeds of up to 5.3 GB per second, which ensures a smooth and reliable experience. For the graphics card, we have the XFX Speedster Radeon RX 6650 XT, which is our graphics card of choice, providing excellent gaming performance with 8 GB of GDDR6 memory and a boost clock of up to 2435 MHz. This video card can run any game at 1440p with ease, and will offer a pleasant video editing experience and decent rendering times. The sleek black and white design of the card fits perfectly with the build's color scheme, and at $310, it's a great value for its performance. To house all of our components, we have the Thermaltake S100 Snow Edition. It's a MicroATX mini tower case, with a sleek white exterior and tempered glass side panel. With excellent airflow and support for multiple fan configurations, this compact case is perfect for our build. The black components that we've chosen also complements the black and white color scheme perfectly, making it a great choice for this build, at just $70. Finally, we have the Cooler Master MWE Gold 650 V2 power supply, which delivers stable power to your components, with an 80+ gold certification ensuring high efficiency and low heat output. The black cables also fit perfectly with the build's color scheme, making it a great option at just $100. And there you have it. A high-performance PC build with a budget of $1,000, featuring components that provide optimal performance and fit the black and white color scheme. We hope you found this video helpful in your PC building journey. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.